See how you can get a 5-color metallic look with just 2 steps at the heat press. When it comes to custom printing graphic tees, metallic-like finishes is a sure way to increase your profit opportunity in just a single garment. Because this finish is so popular, there are a variety of ways that you can utilize this. But did you know with CAD-CUT adhesive and foil, you can actually achieve a variety of finishes? And one of the most popular ones is being able to achieve multicolor metallic finishes by just cutting one single vinyl. In this video, we're going to take a look at how that works by cutting CAD-CUT adhesive and heat applying that, and then placing multiple colors of foil to achieve that multicolor finish. Let's start by using the Hotronix Auto Clam. The first step to getting a clean finish with your adhesive and foil application is getting your garment nice and flat on your bottom platen by threading and working with a single layer. I'm working with a cotton poly blend, and I'm prepping the garment by preheating to release any moisture or wrinkles in the fabric. The first step is to apply our adhesive. We're applying this at 300 degrees for 10 seconds. For my adhesive application, I would want to use a cover sheet here. I did happen to forget that, but anytime you are working with CAD-CUT materials, you want to make sure you are using a cover sheet. Adhesive applies at a light pressure and is a hot peel. As you can see, when I'm removing the carrier, it is exposing the adhesive, and I'm going pretty slow whenever I remove that carrier, just to make sure that I'm not distorting the image whenever I remove it. Now, all that's left to do is apply our foil. And as I mentioned, we are doing a multicolor design. So I have all of my different colors of foil cut up, and we're gonna place those on the design so that we can apply them all at once. It's okay that the foil is overlapping itself. The foil is only going to adhere where the adhesive is on the garment. Whenever I place the foil, I'm just ensuring that I am covering all the adhesive so no adhesive is exposed. And then I'm going to cover with a cover sheet. I want to make sure I'm definitely using a cover sheet whenever I apply the foil, because foil is a cold peel. And we want to make sure that whenever the heat press lifts up, it's not accidentally pulling that up with it from the static. Foil also applies at 300 degrees for 10 seconds using a firm pressure, and it is a cold peel, so we're going to wait for this to cool to about room temperature, and then we'll remove those foil pieces. Let's go ahead and do this at the table. Once the foil is cool to touch, you can go ahead and remove those sheets, and as we remove this, you can see that the foil stuck only to where the adhesive is on the garment. To get the distressed effect that we did with the foil, I used a textured fabric t-shirt. If you want a solid look and feel to the adhesive and foil application, we recommend using a synthetic 100% polyester or a ring spun cotton garment. There are many creative things that you can do with adhesive and foil. For more unique ideas on how to use these products, visit the link in the description. And for more information on CAD-CUT adhesive and foil, visit Stahls.com.